Here are two boxes with some straws suspended inside in two different ways. In one box, the straws are scattered. In the other box, the straws are concentrated at the center. The boxes are now covered and mixed so that we could not identify them. We project a metal ball through the narrow opening of each box. Observe from which side of the box the ball will come out. Can you tell the arrangement of the straws inside the box according to your observation? Uncover the boxes and do it again. The ball sometimes bounces back if all the straws are concentrated at the center. The ball is deflected through the adjacent sides of the box if the straws are scattered evenly within the box.